wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning.
I am making breakfast. I am making breakfast.
If you're an AI content creator here on YouTube, come closer. This video is for you. Let me drop this first. Come in. Now, let's talk business. Have you considered the educational niche? Have you considered the educational niche? Oh my God. There are YouTube channels in the educational niche that are earning close to $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Yes, this particular niche, that is the educational niche, it has a very high RPM. This is because most of the viewers of the educational niche, they are from Europe and they are from Asia. I know what happens when you get viewers from the first world countries. You know what happens? You have more revenue compared to someone that got views from the third world countries. That is how the system works. I'm sorry, but that is how the system works. Meeting me for the first time, hi, I'm your YouTube big sister, and all I do on this channel is to teach you all the things you need to know about AI content creation, YouTube automation, and ways you can earn using AI. So do well to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your educational videos step by step. And when I say step by step, I mean from step 1 to the final step. So do well to stay to the end of this video because this video, trust me, is gonna be value packed. So let's get straight into it. So guys, the first step is to generate our prompts. Yes, I keep saying it that there can be no story, there can be no video without a prompt. So prompt generation is the foundation of any story you're creating here on YouTube or on any social media platform. So I'll head over to my chat GPT because I have the prompt already. Alright, so I'll head over to my chat GPT, and this is a very long prompt, right? I am going to be pasting these prompts in the Telegram community. If you haven't joined that Telegram community, you are missing a lot because this is where I paste all my prompts and people in the community access these prompts, right? So do well to join because this particular prompt will be pasted there. So this was the prompt I gave ChatGPT, and like I said earlier on, is the very long one. And this is what ChatGPT gave me. First off, I told ChatGPT that you're a creative English learning video creator. Generate 10 engaging YouTube video title ideas about daily English sentences. We are looking at daily English sentences in this particular video. So ChatGPT gave me 10 title ideas for daily English sentences, right? It gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to 10 ideas, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to choose one of the ideas it gave me. I chose number 1 out of the 10 title ideas it gave me. So I said 30 daily English sentences you can use every day. And it gave me the prompt, it gave me the character setting, it gave me the action, it gave me the dialogue. Yes, because I pasted the right prompt. Like I said earlier on, if your prompt is okay, your video will be okay. So everything lies on the prompt, especially if you're considering this niche, right? So it gave me prompt 1, prompt 2, up to prompt 10. Right? So remember what I said earlier on, that this particular prompt it gave me contains the character, the setting, the action, and the dialogue, things I want it to say, right? So this is it. So to generate our images, using the image prompt ChatGPT gave me, I'm going to be making use of Google Gemini to generate the images. So the first one is this particular one, the first prompt. I'll just copy it, then head over to Google Gemini. Feel free to use any image generator of your choice. You can use Flow AI. Flow AI is also very good with image generation. So this is Google Gemini here. I can just say generate a cute blah blah blah. Then we are making use of YouTube, right? So you make sure that the aspect ratio is 16:9. make sure that the aspect ratio is 16 by 9. That is it. If you want it to be in TikTok size, you make it to be 9 by 16. But if it's for YouTube size, you make sure that it is 16 by 9. So our image is still generating. Let us wait and see what it would give us. So guys, can you see that? Yes, it followed our image prompt. So to save it, you just have to click on save, and that is it. Let's head over to ChatGPT to copy the second image prompt and generate it using Google Gemini. So I am in ChatGPT now. I'll just copy this second image prompt, head over to Google Gemini and paste it. Remember, 16 by 9. That's for YouTube. Then I'll now click on this arrow and allow it to generate my second image for me. So can you see, this is the second image and our images are in 3D. Remember that this is educational content. You have to make it captivating. You have to make it look exciting. You have to make it look alluring. Am I communicating? Yes, I know I'm communicating. So to save it, I'm just going to save, long press this and save. Then head over to the third image prompt. This is how I'll continue until all my images have been generated. So I'll head over to Google Gemini, place the third one to generate make it 16 by 9. Then allow the third image prompt to generate. I don't want this tutorial to be long, so this will be kind of the last image we are going to generate, so we can move over to the next step. Alright, so this is the third one, and as you can see, the girl is looking pretty, right? So we just long press and save. So this is how we continue until all our images have been generated. So having generated our images, I told ChatGPT, or I asked ChatGPT to give me the action and dialogue of each image prompt. The action and dialogue. By action and dialogue, I mean the things that I want them to do. By dialogue, I mean the things I want them to say, right? So ChatGPT gave me the actions and the dialogues of each image prompt it gave me. Are you getting me? So feel free to use any video generator of your choice to generate your video, right? So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of Flow AI. That is, I'm going to use Flow AI to convert our images into video, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this particular action to this place, copy the action and the dialogue. So I'll just type in Flow AI. Then I'll click on this first one and it will bring me to the interface. Then if you are new to this Flow AI, you will need to sign up with your email account, right? That is if you're using it for the first time. So I'll click on new project and it will bring me to this particular interface. Then I'm going to import that image that I generated using Google Gemini because you want to make that image to talk. You want to convert it to video, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this plus sign. Then I'm going to click on upload media. Then I'm going to import that image. Let's say, for instance, this first one, right? Let me take this one for instance. Then I'll allow it to load. So when it's done loading, I'll just long press and click on animate. I'll long press and click on animate, and automatically it will come down to this place that they say start. I seen it. Then you can now paste that dialogue and action you copied from ChatGPT. So this is me pasting that particular this thing I copied from ChatGPT. I'll just paste it. The thing I want you to say and the action I want you to do. Then I'll now click on this arrow and allow it to generate my video for me. So it is generating right now. So guys, as you can see, our video is ready. Let me play it.
I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning.
So guys, this is it, right? We just click on this good sign and we can now download our video into our device. So let's go ahead to animate our second image. So I'll just simply tap on this place, then I'll click on this plus sign here. I'm going to import the second image I want to animate. Then I'll just import, let's say this one that is brushing his teeth. I'll click on done, then I'll allow it to load up first of all. Then I'll click on animate. I'll just press and click on animate. Then automatically it will appear here, right? Yes, it will appear here. Then I'll now head over to ChatGPT, copy the dialogue and the action prompts. Remember what we said about dialogue and action prompts, right? So I'll just copy this particular one to this place, then I'll paste it and click on this arrow and allow it to generate my video. Remember, we are generating this with the free version of Flow AI, and please make sure that you have multiple email accounts, because if you don't, once your credit gets exhausted, you won't be able to create videos. But if you have multiple accounts, multiple email accounts, once your credit gets exhausted with one Gmail, you can switch over to the second, third, or even fourth email and continue generating. That is if you're making use of the free version. So our video is loading. Let's allow it to load. So guys, our video is ready. Let me play it.
I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day.
That's it. So to save it, we just have to long press and save, and voila, we have our video ready. So guys, for the next step, we will head over to CapCut, right? So because this is where we are going to merge everything together, add our text and things that can make this our video to be very fine, alluring, captivating. You get me, right? So I'll just head over to my CapCut. Then I'll import the videos one after the other. So I'll just click on the videos, and please make sure that the aspect ratio is 16:9 since you'll be posting it on YouTube. Make sure you change the aspect ratio to 16:9 if it's not in 16:9. So this is it. This is 16:9, right? Yeah. So this is it. So the next step is to add our text, colorful text, right? Make sure that your text, they are colorful, because this will be what will captivate people. Let's use this one for instance. When I click on it, I'll click on generate, and it will generate my text for me in seconds. Remember, the aim of this video is to teach English to non-English learners. There are some people, there are some countries, they don't even know how to speak English. So this particular video is to x-ray the simplicity in English language, the beauty of English language, so people actually pay attention to learn. And you can add new words to it, right? You can bring up new words from here and give their meanings. For example, let's watch this one.
I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning.
We can choose early as a new word. Remember, we are teaching people how to speak English. So we just click on add text. You can just say early. It's a new word, right? When you finish writing new word, you will now say early. Early. You can now put it down here. You can change the style, you can change the font, any one of your choice. Just play around with it. Remember that this is tutorial. It is not meant to be perfect. So in your leisure, do well to sit down and go through this particular video and create your own and make it finer, better, and more fine-tuned.
I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus.
I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning.
I am making breakfast. I am making breakfast.
I am taking my dog for a walk. I am taking my dog for a walk. I, Amantes, taking my dog for a walk.
So if you have watched up to this point, do well to like, share, and subscribe, and also drop your comments, your beautiful comments in the comment section. What else do you want me to teach you on this channel? Do well to let me know in the comment section, and I will do well to bring it up in the next video. Remember that the prompt of this particular video will be pasted in the Telegram community. So do well to join us so you can access the prompt from A to Z. Don't forget that I'm available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. Do well to reach out to me through the email showing in my description box. So until I come your way next time, stay safe and mwah.